Hi, Eric Gibaud. I am here in Agaete in Gran Canaria, waiting for the boat to go back to Tenerife. We've just spent almost a week here with Ingrid Rodriguez, and what I wanted to tell you about is this bag by PGYTECH. It's called the OneGo Roamer Tote, something like this. I will write the name there. And I've been using it for a week. I'm really impressed by the quality of the material, how it feels, all this. This is fantastic. So this is what I want to speak about. When I go back to Tenerife, I will show you some tech when I use them, we use it, everything. And also a couple of accessories they sent me. But honestly, I've tested many bags, used many bags, and this is probably the best quality bag I've seen ever. It's really well thought, great material, everything is fantastic. So when I get to Tenerife, I will carry on the video explaining everything. But honestly, I love it. Well, Ingrid is back from having a coffee. It's really windy, so if the sound is not perfect, that's not her fault. That's the wind. And I want to thank her directly because she helped me on everything with this video and others. So thank you so much. So let's start. So I am back at home to speak about this bag. So a few things, I take my note. It exists in two sizes, 25 and 18 liters. For the colors, in 25 liters, it exists like this, which is matte black and also in sand khaki. And the 18 liters exist in matte black, sand khaki and grass green. Okay, so I show you exactly how I used it. First, what really impresses me are the details. Look at this. That looks stupid, okay, but it's not. It's the small nuts, the way it is, so you can pull the zipper. By the way, the zipper here, there's a small bag here, okay, a small pocket here. They all are rubbered, which is great for dust and humidity or rain. And look at this rope here. You think it's just decoration? It's not. It actually it's useful because it reinforced the way it is. Okay. There are many small things, like you have some small rope here, so you could hang something. If you look, everything is all details. If you pull on any of the zipper, you also have some rope, so you can pull on it. Really nice the way it's finished. Everything, I love it. Here I put my tripod on the side. Okay, I'm going to get the tripod out. Okay, here it is. Okay, and as you can see, the quality here, you have you can actually pull it. If I open the side here, it says padded, it's really reinforced. Here you can actually see what you have in this net, really, really nice. Here, if you look at the other side, same thing, you could put a second tripod here, a bottle of water, whatever you want, same thing, you have this here to pull, okay? And here, if I pull here, I actually can access directly my camera. But I could also block this if I don't want to open it here. And the details are incredible. Look at this. Here, in here, I can put my batteries, but there is a reminder to know if they are charged red or green. There are two. So I could put here my battery that are full, so I put it in red, and the one that are empty, I put them in green here. This is really well thought, really helps you have something that is more comfortable, I would say. If you look at all the zipper, they're all protected. Here you have some hooks, you have some small rope below, so you could actually hang something. If you look at the back, it's incredible. Here you have the straps. They're really well, really comfortable. You can adjust here the front lock on your front. There is no belt, but that's logical for this capacity. Normally you don't have a belt. This is compatible with the Crocs, the shoes, the Crocs decoration. If you want to decorate your bag, you can. You can adjust easily, really, really okay. This is wonderful. This is probably the first bag I didn't have a sweaty back. It's nicely padded, but there is a kind of net here. The air really goes through. It's really comfortable. I really loved that. And the small details like this, the top here. Here is rubbered, as you can see, okay? But there's also a small extra lock here for safety. So someone who would like to pull quickly and open your bag quickly can actually lock it here. Or if it's not well closed with the zipper, it will not fall open. Really, really nice. If we look at the top, Same thing, zipper here. There are many ways to set it. Here at the top I had my bag for the pocket 4, and here you have more things, okay? But really it's beautiful. So now we're going to get in the inside, so you see you can set it. I really love it, really love it. And here small space here. I've got some accessories actually I will show you, but really I'm impressed by the quality of this bag. This is I can see it was a bit dusty here. You clean it immediately. It's really well made, weather resistant, really nice. And by the way, if you wanted to help me, don't forget I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo, you get a 10% discount with my code ERIC10. 10% on top of any offer they have. So still place your code and you save some more money. And with ERIC20, you get 20% discount on Cane Faith, where you will find all the accessories, Boy, Kev, Concept, and more brands. So use it. That helps you. That helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. Let's carry on. Right now you're not going to see my face much because I want to show you what's inside. So as I said, you can access the top through here, okay? But we're going now to open this. I'll put the lock off, okay? Open it. There's one thing I really love, it is this. What is that? So often when you open completely your bag, if you have a computer in there, the computer will slip out. This will not. As you can see, this will prevent your computer from getting out. And here, this is, as you can see, magnetic. Okay, here you have some bags, also some pockets, also it's a net. You can see what's in there. I love that. Okay, let's open here. Several things. As you can see, this is well padded. The computer is completely protected. Really nice. Here you can access the top here, or through here, or through here. But in there are many things. Now, I don't speak about the gear I've got in there. I've got some stuff. But here you have net here, okay, net here, and also a pocket here you can have with the zipper in here. I don't know if you can see it, okay. You have also a pocket here. That is the full size, really practical. I really like that. Then you have this part you can actually set as you want, because you have some dividers. Here there's a big divider. I'll come back to this. You have some dividers. Some are padded like this. Others that are really hard, tough like this. Okay. In there I had my Hasselblad 907X with a 45mm. In here I've got my Leica MP, some film, also my gear for recording, as I've got here some batteries, some filters. Here the Osmo Nano. Here the Pocket, the Action 6, sorry. And here I've got the Pocket 4 that I'm recording with right now, that is there, okay? And here I've got some filters, some spare film. Everything fits. Maybe you do not want to use this as a camera bag sometime. Okay, well, you can remove everything, the whole box, you can actually remove it, okay? Take it out. And then if you want to have the full space, you can actually open completely this, okay? You open it completely and you're going to slip this below, okay? So now you have the full bag for whatever you want that occupies everything. So you can use it as a mix bag, as a camera bag, or as any backpack, okay? And in here, by the way, I forgot to show you, they include some straps in case you want to put something just below the bag. You will be able to hang it. Or on the side here, you have also some small rope you can actually hang from. So really impressive. Honestly, this is the best quality bag I've seen so far. I've seen many great bags. I've presented many great bags, some really affordable, some more expensive. This one is, I love the details, the material, really love it. So some technical details. Well, the weight. When it's empty, the 18 liters empty, I mean without any partition in there, 1.12 kilos, and when it's with the partition in there, 1.35 kilos, which is 2.47 pound or 2.98 pound. Okay, I think this is really light. And if you look like mine, the 25 liters, when it's with no partition, is 1.5 kilos, which is 3.31 pound, and with partition in there, some separation in there, 1.72 kilos, which is 3.79 pound, which is really light compared to others I've tested. You get some documentation in there that show you all the partition you get in there, so you organize your bag. Also show you ideas of how to carry it. You can actually carry it this way also. There's a handle. Actually, there's a magnet in there. It sticks together, really nice. It shows you some configuration, the way you can set it with drone, with camera, all this. How to fold this, because everything arrives flat, so you have to organize the inside. But it's really easy. It takes a second. If you don't want to put anything in there, obviously you have an everyday bag like this. And in case you would take a plane, I'm going to tell you the external size. The 18 liters is 440 millimeter by 375 millimeter by 155 millimeter, and the 25 liter is 480 millimeters by 400 millimeters by 180 millimeters. It gives you an idea. I give you the outside because I think this is what most people are worried when they go traveling. And the inside, well, you see what fits in there. Take out a couple of centimeters and you have the size. Honestly, the quality is amazing, and the fact that you can set everything as you want from start, you're going to tailor it to your taste and to your needs. That's fantastic. Well, the first accessory they sent me is this. What is that? It's if you want to have your camera on your strap, you just press here and you release the camera. Easy, you remove this. Obviously, they send you an Allen key also, so you screw that in your camera where the tripod normally goes, tripod plate, you place it there, and once it's in there you just have to do this, okay, and your camera is in, cannot go out. If you want to release the camera, you have to press this button, okay, and you hear it does the click, otherwise it's locked. It's really nice. I don't use that type of accessories. They sent it to me. I don't use it. I tested it to see if it was okay, but I don't use it. I prefer to have a strap, okay? And to place it is really easy. You just release here, okay? You open, and that's it. If you want to place it back, well, you simply close. Have this small strap that gets in there. You press here. Doesn't have to be a PGYTECH bag, okay? Can be any other brand, as long as you have a strap, okay? And when you release, that's it. So I know it's fully metal, really nice build. I think some people will love this. And the other accessory, I already knew it. It is a strap. This strap, I knew it because I actually use it on my Fujifilm X106. I actually have a thinner strap, okay? So they sent me this one. I'm going to tell you why I prefer PGYTECH to Peak Design. Two things. First one, what you have on your camera here, it's round. So it means when you hang it, it doesn't really matter how you actually hang it. It will turn without any problem and be straight. Otherwise, if the strap would be like this, you would have to release it and then place it again. You don't have to do this. It will turn easily, and that's easy. And to release, it's really easy. So first, this is why I prefer this to Peak Design by far, okay? Second, the one I've got on my Fujifilm X106, it's a bit more basic. It's thinner than this one because the 106 doesn't have much weight. But what I love about this is the way you can adjust the strap. It's really easy. You just adjust as you want. Once it is adjusted, you can pull. It will not move, okay? You can adjust exactly where you want and it will not move. And I think this is fantastic because so often it's complicated to adjust exactly as you want. When you look at the neck, it is padded, really nice. In this way, the one I've got on my Fujifilm X106 is leather type. It's thinner, you don't have this padding, but which is normal because it's really light. In the box, you will also get an Allen key, a base for tripod. I don't know why they put it, but well, it's there if you want to need it. And one thing that is important, you have 2 extra balls here for another camera. But in case, like on some cameras, there is no space to actually have this small rope go through, so they included this, which is a small open ring, so you can actually place it in the standard neck, what you call that, small hole on your camera. If you want to use it, you can still use it. I really like this. And honestly, the quality is really nice. Some people will complain, telling this is plastic and not metal. I'm going to tell you why it's great that it's plastic. If you check Facebook for groups about the X106, many people broke the, well, some people broke the front glass of the viewfinder because the metal of the Peak Design strap actually pressed on it in the bag and broke it. So I'm happy it's plastic, okay? Actually, I have also Peak Design. I don't like it because of this metal part. I don't trust it. It can actually scratch metal or your camera or break glass, whatever. I don't like it. I really prefer this. I've not used it yet, okay? I'm going to place it on another camera, a heavier camera than my 106. But I love the system. I really love this. This is a great accessory, no doubt. So my conclusion. Well, honestly, I've tested many camera backpack, bag, many type, okay? Some were fantastic, some were not as good, but really affordable. I think this one is not entry level, is top level. The material are great, the details are fantastic. This is probably one of the best bags I've seen, okay? Because I think it's everything, is the details, the material, everything. It's not just a bag, but it's the way you can use it for this. So for me, this is really great quality. Actually, already knew the quality of the bags because when I was at Disnet, the importer for Europe in Paris, I actually saw other bags they have. They have a fantastic one with metal in there. You can carry a lot of weight. Hopefully one day they send it to me. I would love it. But the quality, I was really surprised. It's really fantastic. So for me, really recommendable, no doubt. 18 or 25 liter. If you need more, they have other bags also. If you need less, they also have other bags, okay? But today I speak about this one. The accessories, completely recommendable. Also, if you need to have this clip on the side, to have your camera on the side, fantastic. And the strap, no doubt, they're really practical. I love the one I've got on my Fujifilm X106. So for me, completely recommendable. In case you would be interested, I'll leave you links in the description where you can buy it. So thank you so much PGYTECH for sending me the bag and the accessories. Thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The small button on here is a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, Gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Also remind you, I've got affiliated links in the description. Please use them. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo, please use my code ERIC10 and get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still place your code and you save some more money. And with ERIC20 you get a 20% discount on Ken Faith, where you will find all the accessories by Kev Concept and more brands. So use it. That helps you, that helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. Also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.